everybody is lazy in today's society, but with inflation, it's important to make money. Do you think making money online requires hustle or just plain creating products? Well, think again, because today I'm going to show you the laziest way to earn money online. It doesn't require any upfront capital or courses or even spending countless hours. These methods might just change the way you think about online income and could potentially even change your life. Let's dive right in. If you're looking for the easiest way to make money online, something that doesn't require a lot of effort, a huge capital, or even hours of work every day, and to be honest, that's exactly what most people are after. An easy, streamlined way of making money online without breaking a sweat. But for something to be truly easy, it needs to meet a few criteria. Number 1, no big upfront investment. You should be able to start with $0. No money spent means little to no risk. The loss of money is minimal to none at best. Also means no financial commitment from your end. Number 2, no product creation. You're not here to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to spend your time developing products or coming up with crazy new ideas. The point here is to not work for something. That's the point of the laziest way. We shouldn't be racking our brains or making anything else. Number 3, no videos or courses. You don't need to show your face or spend hours recording videos. If you're gonna work smart, not hard, why not skip this part? It should also be easy to do. Again, the laziest way. Number 4, no need to spend tons on ads. Forget about the constant need to pour money into ads. You want something that can work without needing to put cash up front. Going back to the first number, there should be little to no cost. Number 5, sustainability. The last thing you want is a flash-in-the-pan method that fizzles out after a month. You want a business model that can work for years. So, what fits all these criteria? After countless hours of digging into countless online opportunities, I've found the one that meets every single requirement. High payout partner products. I know, you're probably thinking, what does that even mean? And I getcha, but don't worry, I'll explain it to you step by step. Now, you might hear partner products and think, isn't that just affiliate marketing? Well, yes, but actually no. Traditional affiliate marketing isn't the laziest way to make money online, and here's why. In traditional affiliate marketing, you have to find a product, which can take time, promote it, and hope that people actually buy, and deal with a low commission structure, which means you have to make hundreds or even thousands of sales to earn real money. And that doesn't sound too lazy, doesn't it? Starting out in affiliate marketing reveals how much effort is truly required for it. It involves creating content, posting said content, engaging with audiences, and more. And even then, you might not get the results that you were expecting. Credit where credit is due. It is possible to earn some income, but it often involves a significant investment of time for okay returns. But what if there's a way to cut out most of that hard work? That's where the HPP, or the high payout partner product system, comes in. And it's a game changer. Here's how the HPP system works. You find a high payout product that you believe in, one that's priced around $500 or more, not $50. Why? Because when you make a sale, you get a commission that is very significant. For example, if the product offers a 50% commission on a $500 sale, you're looking at $250 for each sale. Amazing, right? $250 for doing something that takes very little work. Once you have a product, of course, you need to promote it. But here's where the real magic happens. You don't need to spend hours creating content or hiring a team to help you. You can generate all of your videos with a special AI software. Instead of spending hours filming and editing, you can create a long-form video that does the heavy lifting for you and generate hundreds of short-form videos that link back to that long-form video. These short clips will bring in traffic to your product even while you're sleeping. Now, let's talk about the power of leverage. You don't actually need to create a product or deal with inventory or even handle customer support. You're simply leveraging the work of the original creators and driving traffic to their products. Here's the process broken down. Number 1, find a product. Look for a high payout partner product that offers a solid commission, around $500 or more. Number 2, create a long form video. You only need to make one long form video. This video is your main sales tool. Number 3, generate short form videos. Use AI software to generate hundreds of short form videos to promote your long form video. Number 4, focus on 2 platforms. Target 2 specific platforms that are easy to use and give you access to organic traffic. These platforms give you leverage and help you drive traffic without spending a dime on ads. Number 5, optimize. Use AI software to optimize your videos, making sure they rank and get noticed on the platforms you're using. The real beauty of this system is because of the leverage it gives. You don't have to put in hours of effort every single day. You just have to work a couple days per month, and by then you have created a system that earns money for you year after year. Now, you might be asking, what kind of results can I expect from this system? Well, let's do the math with some real-world numbers. Let's say you decide to upload 3 videos a week. This could either be 3 long-form videos or a mix of long and short form content. If you keep at it over the course of a year, you'll have 156 videos on your channel. And if each video gets 1,000 views per month, and remember, a few of them will even go viral, that's 156,000 views per month. And that's 1.87 million views a year, and that is significant. Now, let's say 0.4% of those viewers actually purchase the product. That's 624 sales a month. And if each sale is worth $250 in commission, you're looking at $156,000 per month from just 156,000 views. Imagine that! You set it up once and it keeps paying you month after month with minimal ongoing effort. Here's where it gets even better. If you're generating good organic traffic and getting consistent sales, you can easily scale up by increasing video output. Instead of 3 videos a week, maybe you can upload 5 or 7. Reinvesting your earnings into ads. You can start running ads for your product once you've built up a profitable system. But even without ads, you can still make significant income just from organic traffic. Expanding your reach. As you grow, you can experiment with additional platforms or even hire others to help with content creation. The best part is that you're not necessarily working hard, you're working smart. And once you've set everything up, it can essentially run itself with just a little upkeep here and there. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly rewarding for those who set it up right, especially if they had set up efficient systems in their place. Many experienced marketers have paid out and earned substantial amounts through affiliate programs, proving the process actually works. It's not just a theory anymore, it's a tested and lived experience. What makes this approach so powerful is its leverage. Once the system is in place, the workload decreases, and it decreases significantly. For example, with just a few days of work each month, such as creating long-form videos or other content, it's possible to generate consistent income while maintaining being lazy. And this is the kind of life many aspire to achieve, showing how this model combines minimal effort with maximum results. So, how do you get started with the HPP system? That's exactly what I'm gonna show you in the next video. I'll walk you through it step by step, from how to find the right products for you, to creating your own video, to even how to use YouTube Shorts to your advantage. All of these information can be seen in the next video that I will link after this one. So if you're interested in learning more about this elusive high payout partner program that I'm talking about, watch that video and subscribe. Who knows, I might even share more secrets in future videos. Maybe even, I don't know, secrets the bank doesn't want you to know. So if you like that, it's actually out right now. If you're interested in being part of the first cohort and want early access to this program, click the link below to join the early bird waiting list. This program will come with bonuses and spots will be limited, so don't miss out. Stay tuned for the next video in this series where I'll break down exactly how to get started with high payout partner products and share more techniques to help you succeed. See you there! Now, if you'd like to learn how to earn passive income using dropshipping, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Alright, I'll see you over there.